Shri Gurubhyo Namaha children, welcome to our online class A Kalaiva. Today we are going to see class 6, subject is science, the topic name is components of food. Today we have to see the deficiencies diseases. Last session we saw that carbohydrate deficiency, protein deficiency and then PEM, that deficiency we saw that. No, today we have to see that deficiency of vitamins and minerals. See, first one we have to see the deficiency of vitamins. Deficiency of vitamins. We know that deficiency of vitamins is vitamin. We know that vitamins are two types. We know that. No, what is that? One is the water soluble, another one is the fat soluble. No, fat soluble vitamins are called the A, D, E, K. No, A, D, E, K. So these four vitamins are called the vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E, vitamin K. These are called the fat soluble vitamins because these vitamins are stored in the fat cells. Whenever they need, they get added into the blood circulation. It gives the energy. It gives the it is helpful for the about the deficiency disease. No, so this is fat soluble vitamins. After that, next one is the water soluble vitamins. This water soluble vitamins are not stored in our food. While we eat the food, we can get the energy directly. So they can dissolve in the water content. So this like vitamins are there. We have to see, suppose we have the deficiency. Deficiency means we know that no, the lagging of the particular nutrition for a long period of time we have the lagging in particular nutrition means it causes the deficiency diseases. No. So first we have to see the vitamin A, C, K, D, K. These are all the fat soluble vitamins. See, what are the deficient rich sources of? First one, vitamin A. Vitamin A, where the food sources, what are the rich sources of food we can get the vitamin A means? First one is the fish, another one is the carrot, and then dark greeny vegetables. If you are having the dark greeny vegetables means carrot, papaya, then cabbage, like the greeny vegetables we can get the lot of the vitamin A. Okay, so these are all the lot of the rich sources of the vitamin A. Okay, suppose we have, what are the vitamin A functions of the vitamin A in our body means they are needed for the eye vision and to keep our skin and hair healthy. Vitamin A, mostly the vitamin A is very important for our healthy vision. If you are having any eye problem means it is lagging of vitamin A disease. Okay, so the vitamin A is needed for good eye vision and also make your skin and hair healthy. If you are having the hair fall means it is the lagging of the vitamin A. Okay, so healthy skin and healthy hair also given by the vitamin A. Okay, what will happen if the vitamin is lagging in our body means what will happen? It gives the night blindness. Night blindness means what is that? The person can see during the daytime, the person can see the as usual normal person. After that, evening after 6 o'clock, evening 6 o'clock means that slowly the vision of the eyes is slowly they can get the low. Okay, so the 12 hours they can see like normal persons. After the 12 hours they cannot see the things. So it is called the night blindness. Okay, after that, what are the symptoms of this disease means? The dryness of eye, improper vision. Improper vision means after the evening they cannot see that the things we cannot see clearly. Okay, it is the improper vision. Okay, then vitamin C. Vitamin C, the rich sources of vitamin C most is the citrus fruit. What is citrus fruit? Citrus fruit means lemon and orange, tomato. These are all called the citrus fruit. Okay, citrus fruit means lemon family fruits are called the citrus fruit. Clear? Okay, then after that pepper. So vitamin C is present, lemon, orange, tomato and pepper. Okay, what is the function for the vitamin C? The function of vitamin C maintains a healthy nervous system and circulatory system. Nervous system and then circulatory system. Clear? And then what are the diseases causes means beriberi. The disease name is called the beriberi. Okay. See, what is the symptoms means inflammation of nerves and may also lead heart failure. It may also lead the heart failure, and it gives the blood leakage of our teeth also. The gums also affected by this vitamin C deficiency. Okay. Then apart from this, we have to see the D, vitamin D. Okay. This vitamin D rich sources of food is milk curd. Yogurt means milk curd, and then egg, almonds and legumes. What is legumes? The pea plants are called the legumes. Pea plants is there, no? That is called the legumes. So we can get the vitamin D from there. Apart from this, vitamin D we can get from the sunlight. Okay. If we are playing the evening, that's why our old elders are saying that we can in the morning we can read after, but the evening we can play in the sunlight now, because we can, if the sun rays will be present on our skin means we have the melanin pigment in our skin, so pigment will be activated if the sunlight will be present on our skin. Okay. So, and then next one, the functions. What are the functions vitamin D in our body means? It keep the skin and hair healthy. It also keep our skin and hair healthy. And then the disease is the skin disorders. I told the melanin pigment is there. It is help the skin, the normal, it gives the normal skin our body. Suppose the sunlight is not present in our skin means we can often we have to attack like the skin diseases. Clear? Next one, vitamin K. Vitamin K is present spinach, cabbage, green leafy vegetables like that. Then the blood, what is the function means blood clotting. We know that if you have any small wounds on our skin means, if it is not a deep wound means if it has cut the veins or artery in our body means it is not cured. Okay. If you are having the small cuts on your skin, we know that if they are having the cut means it giving the blood leakage will be happen there. Okay. So if we have this blood leakage will be clotted between the time 2 to 8 seconds, it will be clotted. If it does not happen means we may lose the lot of the blood from our body. So for this blood clotting means it has the fiber, fibrin is the make a network, it make a like a stone like that, the things will be formed there. So blood will be clot on the wound. So if you are having the vitamin K means it will help to blood clotting. After that, hemorrhage. What is the disease means? It is called the hemorrhage. Hemorrhage means what does that means? Actually it is a hereditary disease. Okay. I told that if you are having wound, the small wound happen on our skin means it will be clotted 2 to 8 seconds, the blood will be clotted. If it is not clotted means that disease is called the hemorrhage. This person having any wounds on their body means it is very difficult that person get the blood clotting. Okay. Then next one, symptoms is excessive bleeding, because the hemorrhage means the blood clotting is not happened there. So that person getting the excessive bleeding on their skin. Then next one is the vitamin. After that we have to see that water soluble vitamins. Okay, water soluble vitamins means what I told, vitamin B complex, vitamin C, we also say that no. So this water soluble vitamins. First we have to see the vitamin B1. Vitamin B1 rich is the yeast, soya bean, milk, sprouts and sunflower seeds. Okay. And then functions. What is the function for the vitamin B1 means? It means the nervous system and circulatory system. Maintaining the nervous system and circulatory system. After that, the disease causes the beriberi. After inflammation and nervous and also leader as failure. Okay. The next one is the B2. B2 is present in the milk curd, almonds and legumes like that. Suppose the person functions, what is the function means? Keep skin and hair healthy. It keep our skin and hair healthy. It make the skin disorders to our body. Then vitamin B12. Animal products having the vitamin B12. Animal products means the liver like that things is no. So this is having the B12. Then it is used for formation of RBC. Formation of RBC means The red blood cells is called the RBC. This formation of RBC happen with the help of the B12. And then this maintaining the nervous system. Okay, if you are having lagging of the vitamin B12 on our body means it makes the anemia. Anemia means the person will feel very tiredness always. Okay, next one, what is the symptoms means tiredness and weakness always, because the anemia may making the tiredness and weakness for that person. Next we have to see the minerals deficiency. We have to see the mineral deficiency. See minerals, first one we have to see calcium, phosphorus, iron. Okay, calcium is it is present in the milk products. Dairy products means milk product. What is the milk product? Butter, ghee, cheese, these are all the milk product. Okay, in this milk, and then green leafy vegetables. As usual, the green leafy vegetables means cabbage, spinach, like that, the green leafy vegetables. After that, function. What is the calcium functions of our body means the strengthens bones and teeth, helps in the clotting of blood. Calcium helps the strength bones and the strength of the teeth as well as the help to the clotting of blood. Okay, next one is the, if the person will affect this calcium deficiency is there in the person means this person having the osteoporosis in adult. The adult affected by the osteoporosis disease as well as the children are affected the rickets disease. Okay, osteoporosis means, what does that means? The adult, the leg, the after the knee, the leg will be looking like that. It is looking like a bended, the leg will be bended shape because it gives the strength to the bones. No, if the calcium is not there means the bones is not strong, so the bones are looking like a bended shape. Okay, like a bow shape we are saying, no, that is the osteoporosis disease. Rickets also, it is the weakness of the bones. Then next one is the phosphorus. Phosphorus is rich food is soya bean, pulses, milk and dairy products. These are the rich sources of the phosphorus. Then what is the function for the phosphorus in our body means strengthens bones, teeth and help the blood clotting as well as like a calcium. This also is doing the same process in our body. Okay, then what is the disease means it make the rickets in the children. Even the calcium also making the rickets in children, phosphorus also making the rickets disease in the children. Next one is iron. The whole grain pulses, meat, dark greeny vegetables and apricots. These are the rich sources of the iron content. Okay, the formation of RBC and hemoglobin. Hemoglobin means what is that? It is the pigment. It is the pigment. How plants are having the chlorophyll, that's why plants are looking in a green color. As well as our blood is looking like a red color means this is the reason this hemoglobin pigment is present in our food, in our blood. Okay, so this hemoglobin is made up of protein as well as iron. So the RBC formation is happened with the help of the iron. Okay, suppose the person is having the deficiency of iron means they are affected the anemia. They are affected the anemia. These are the vitamin B12 deficiency also makes the anemia disease as well as the iron deficiency also making a anemia disease. Next one we have to see the potassium, sodium. Okay, see first one is the iodine. First one is iodine. Okay, fish, iodized salt, yogurt, baked potatoes and skin are seafood, eggs. Okay, where we get the iodines from means the iodized salt, fish. If you are having the fish and then iodized salt, then curd, baked potatoes with the skin. Usually our mother cooking the potatoes means they are peeling the potato skin. No, but we should not peel the potato skin because the potato skin having the iodine. Okay, then after that seafood. Seafood means what is that? We are having the many seafoods. No, that prawn like that, many things, a fish, prawn like that we are having. No, these are giving the scrub also of seafood. If you are having this food means we can get the iodine. And then egg also having the iodine content. Next, what are the functions of the iodine in our body? It maintains the thyroid gland. What is thyroid gland? See, we have many glands in our body. Okay, these glands only help to making the proper function to our body. Okay, so we have the glands means first one is the pituitary. Pituitary is present in our head. Okay, and the hypothalamus, the brain, the adipose brain, it has the pituitary gland. Okay, after that we have the gland in our neck part. In our neck part we have the one butterfly shaped gland will be there. This gland is called the thyroid gland. Okay, this gland is called the thyroid gland. So in our neck we have the one gland, that is the thyroid gland. Okay, see, then after that, okay, what is the function of the thyroid gland means? This thyroid glands help the metabolism to our food, metabolism to the body, and then it secretes the iodine, thyroid, it's secreting the thyroid. The thyroid gland is secreting the thyroid. This thyroid helps us the metabolism of the iodine. It also secreting the iodine. Okay. So what is the deficiency will be happen to the person will affected by this iodine means it is called the Coiter disease. It is called the Coiter disease. What is Coiter disease means? We have the thyroid gland in the neck. No, this thyroid gland will be affected. It is enlarged. It is enlargement of the thyroid gland in the neck. Some persons we can see, mostly the male persons, with gents we can see this disease. If while they are speaking, some things is like a marble, like a things will be moving up and down. No, actually that is the thyroid gland problem. Okay. Then after that we have to see a sodium. Sodium is present as salt, bread and most of the foods. Clear? Then it helps in the maintaining of the fluid balance. Fluid balance. Fluid balance means we have that what is that immune system we having the immune system secreting some fluids. This fluid is maintained by the sodium. Okay. Then the muscle weakness and cramps also happening if the deficiency of sodium. Then potassium. Potassium and sodium usually maintain, the both are working together. The sodium also potassium also help the fluid maintenance. Okay, where we get the potassium means banana, spinach, sweet potato. Okay, then what is the function of means? It also helps the fluid balance. I told sodium means Na means sodium, potassium means K. This both are working like in our body, both are working the maintenance of the fluid. After that we can say it also make a muscle weakness and cramps. Clear? Then another thing is we have to see the magnesium. Another minerals we have to see magnesium, zinc, fluorine. First magnesium. We can get the magnesium whole grain, spinach, cashew, chicken, fish, like that. Okay, from this food item we can get the magnesium. Then functions. What is the function magnesium in our body means? Required for many chemical reactions in our body. Chemical reactions means respiratory reaction and then digestive process, excretory process. These are all called the chemical reaction. These chemical reactions happen with the help of the magnesium. It helps this chemical reactions. Okay. If you have the deficiency means the muscle cramp and irregular heartbeat will be happen if we have that magnesium deficiency. Clear? Then zinc. Next one is the zinc. This zinc is present in the pumpkin seeds and peanuts. Pumpkin seeds we know that no, and then peanuts also present the zinc. Next, it helps in cell division and healing of wounds. Strengthens in the immune system. Strengthens the immune system. See here, first it helps the cell division. Cell division means we have the cell, inside the cell it have the hereditary things. Okay, if you are, I told the zygote, if we make the zygote, this zygote continuously happen, it has the two end, this zygote continuously happen the cell division, after that only it grow like a baby. So this cell division is very important. This cell division has happened with the help of the zinc. Then healing of wounds. If we are having any cut on our body, the skin means it helps to heal the wounds with the help of the zinc. Next one, the immune system. Immune system only give the protection from the disease. Okay, so the immune system also working with the help of zinc. What will happen? What are the diseases if we cause and means muscle weakness and cramps as well as. Okay, then next one is the fluorine. Bananas, spinach and then potatoes, sweet potatoes are having the fluorine content. Okay, this mineral helps in maintaining fluid balance as well as the immune system. The fluid balance I told, this fluid balance is maintained by the fluorine. And then muscle weakness and cramps is because the diseases. Apart from this, the fluorine is used. This mineral fluorine is used in our toothpaste. We are using the morning toothpaste now. Why do we are brushing every day means our mouth secreting this saliva, it has the alkaline. It is the alkaline as it is secreting. If you are using this fluorine is present in the toothpaste now. If you are brushing, it gives the base. So the acid is controlled by the base, it will be neutral. Okay, that's why we are using the fluorine in our toothpaste content. Clear? Thank you children. To receive our online lesson, please press the subscribe button and will receive our latest updates. Thank you.